You know, I do a lot of home improvement stuff, and just a few weeks ago I was working on a plumbing project and needed to replace one little thing and discovered that there's some other stuff down the line that needed to be replaced too. So there's a bunch of trips back and forth from the store, and I find the same thing with a lot of auto repairs also. How can RockAuto.com save me that hassle?
We have a lot more assemblies now, so you get everything you need ready to go, ready to install. For example, we have this wheel bearing hub knuckle assembly that you don't need to press the bearing in. You won't be surprised if, okay, this knuckle's bent a little bit or it's corroded, and when you get halfway through and you got to put everything on hold. It's all clean, new, ready to install.
What if I look at, say, this part and discover I only need one little bit of it and the rest of it is fine?
Well, yeah, we sell the individual parts also. You just look through our catalog and you'll see the part, and then when you have lots of choices like this, if you have the front and rear, you care about different brands, you can just unclick. If you just want front, you unclick rear, and you just see the front pieces, or you can search for a specific manufacturer that you prefer, and we have a huge selection, and this simplifies the choices for you.
Big selection, reliably low prices, and now with Assemblies, RockAuto.com can make your job really easy as well.